Hi, my garden babes. We are here today to do a quick review before I put these pretty, beautiful flowers in the ground. I did my usual yearly Aldi purchase, ALDI, Aldi. I normally go around the springtime. They have flowers for sale. And usually I buy 3 or 4 bags. Me and my mom would split the bags and we would see how they would do. Last year they did a great. In her yard, but not as much as mine. I think I waited too late. So this year I want to make sure I got a head start. And this is one of the bags that I found. This is a perfect blend Asiatic lily blend. The great thing about the bag, of course, it has the little butterflies and decor. It's environmentally friendly with your brown bag. Each bag has its own set of instructions. 5 inches deep into the hole, place the bulbs. Planting time is in March, and you're expecting to receive a bloom between June and August in my zone, which is zone 9. Definitely a great recommend. Each bag is between $6 and $7. Great deal. So this one comes with 9 bulbs you use before June 2nd of 2024 or the year. Okay, and here we go. Here's one of the beautiful bulbs that comes in the Aldi bag, and these are very like no smell. And I have an idea where I'm going to place 2 of these 9 lilies. They're going to be over here near my crepe myrtle. So we're going to get planting. So change of plans today. What we're going to do instead is go pick up topsoil. Once I was about to start planting the lily blends, I started pulling up the soil and it is full of water. We had a very big rain for the last 2 or 3 days, and it's showing me, like it does when you're observing and looking at your garden, that it needs to add more dirt to help capture more of the water that is from the rain. And storms are only going to get worse in the summer here in Florida. So getting topsoil today will be the best thing before planting the bulbs. So we're off to the hardware store, topsoil, and probably garden soil. Might as well go to get them out. Get the soil. I know. Stand it up. Don't stack it on top. Push.